Hi, my growing young buddies. So, your Grammar Buddy Mini is once again back with you at your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, with your grammar book, The Grammar Hub by Feathercap for grade 5. What are we going to learn today? You have learnt about verbs. Now you know the different kinds of verbs also. So today we'll go ahead and modify the verbs. What's that? We'll be learning about adverbs in chapter 15 of your book. You already know this term, isn't it? So let's get started. Let's do a review exercise from your past learning. Come on, yes, you have to pick out interjections. And what's the easiest way out? They are there with the mark of exclamation. So you, without reading, you can pick them out. Picking out an interjection is not difficult, children, because they are always followed by a mark of exclamation. What is more important is you must know their use. What feeling is expressed by them? So are you ready to learn about the different feelings that are expressed by different interjections? Okay, so I've already told you interjections are the words that come out suddenly and they express your sudden feelings. Let's do a few interjections for you. Ouch, that hurts me. So what does it show? It shows pain. The expression shows pain. Next, wow. What does that show? That shows two feelings together. So it is joy as well as surprise. So it's a mixed feeling that is coming out. Alas, that shows sorrow, right? Grief or sorrow, that means the same. Hi. So when you are greeting somebody, you say hi. When you are seeking somebody's attention, you say hello. So to call somebody, to seek somebody's attention, you say hello. Dear, that shows you are being loving to the other person. That shows your affection for the other person. Then, well, that shows surprise. Then, hurrah. So when you are very excited, when you are very happy, when you want to show your achievement, so that shows your joy. That is an extreme feeling of happiness. Then, oh, that shows your pain. Sometimes it shows your surprise, and sometimes it also shows that you are pleading for somebody, for something. You are requesting hard. Then it comes to hey. That also shows surprise, children. So these are the different uses of different interjections. We have an exercise here to read. Study the following sentences to know how we express our sudden feelings. Like, hi, what's new? So you are just greeting somebody. Alas, he is dead now. So when somebody dies, what is the feeling? That feeling is expressed by the word, by the interjection alas. That is a feeling of sorrow, a feeling of pain. Oh, I have a headache. So that shows your physical pain. Alas shows your mental pain, your bonding pain, right? So, oh shows your physical pain. Ah, now I understand. So that also shows your surprise. As if you get a sudden knock. Suddenly you just wake up. Oh, ah, now I understand. Hurrah! That shows your happiness, your joy, extreme happiness. Oh dear, did I really hurt you? So that is showing your concern for somebody. Dear shows you are affectionate towards that person. Well, I would never. So that also shows like your surprise feeling. Did you expect this from me? Well, I would never. Hey, what an idea. So you are surprised to get that idea from the other person. So that is another way of expressing your surprise. So here's an exercise for you. Write an appropriate interjection for the following, for the feelings expressed in the brackets. Now I've already told you the different words that express different feelings, the different interjections that express different feelings. So we have the feeling expressed here. You have to use the proper interjection. Let's see how. Dash, we have lost the match. So it is pain as well as disappointment. So which feeling, which word shows these two feelings together? It shows, oh, you are disappointed also. And remember to put the mark of exclamation after them. Next comes dash. What a pleasant surprise. So you want to show your happiness there, your joy there. What will come? It will be, hey, what a pleasant surprise. Next, I haven't seen such a beautiful girl. And you are surprised to see that beauty. Yes, with surprise, that shows your happiness also. So it's a mixed feeling. So that comes with, wow, what a beautiful girl. I haven't seen such a beautiful girl. Next, it is all over now. You have to show grief. That means sorrowness. That will come with the word alas. Did I stamp your foot? So you want to show your surprise as well as pain. So, oh, that shows your pain as well as surprise, that how did I stamp your feet? So you are just surprised, how could it happen? And you are also feeling pain for the other person. Look at her. So you are just calling attention. And I just told you, when you seek somebody attention, what do you say? Hello. You can also say, hey, look at her. That is also the correct way. Next, please don't refuse it. So you are pleading. When you plead, what was the interjection used? It was, oh, please don't refuse it. Next, I have won the competition, and you are showing your joy. That is extreme happiness. Perfect answer. That is hurrah. Next, dash, he has achieved the target, and you are surprised about it. So you say, well, he has achieved his target. So I didn't believe he could. Next, he has nothing to add, and you are expressing surprise again. So you say, hey, he has nothing to add. So at times, more than one words are used for the same feeling. You can exchange them also, children. So what we have learnt about interjections, we have learnt the different uses of different interjections. That interjections are the words that show your certain feelings. You just cannot control them. And the different interjections, they show how they show the different feelings. And we have used them here also in the exercises. So let's practice once again. Take the correct answer. A part of speech used to express sudden feeling. What is that called? It's called an interjection. Which interjection expresses mixed feeling of joy as well as surprise? Yes, wow. Hurrah, I have won the first prize. So what is the feeling expressed by hurrah? Yes, that is extreme happiness, joy. Which punctuation mark is used after the interjections? Perfect, it's an exclamation mark. So that means you have understood interjection very well. I feel good to hear confident answers from you. So we'll be coming up with more interesting sessions in grammar. Till then, happy learning, children.